Hi, this is Joe A. Tour, and today we're at the Paulskirche in Frankfurt. This is where Germany held its first freely elected parliament in 1848. We are right across the street from the Roma, our city hall, and we're gonna go inside. Okay, we're gonna walk into the Paulskirche now and see what we can see. This is always free, but sometimes it's not open if there's any kind of like events happening here. It's called the March of the Parliamentarians. Here all around the outside, they've got pictures and the history of what happened here in 1848 in German and in English. So when you come here, you can read all about this history. So most of these guys were lawyers. Here they all are. Nice map of Frankfurt in 1848. And we'll go upstairs. They used this building for a lot of different things. So when Queen Elizabeth came, she gave a talk here. When the Dalai Lama came, he gave a speech here for the reunification of Germany. The papers were signed here. And when John F. Kennedy came in 1963, he gave a speech here. Cool architecture. We have the 16 flags from the 16 states of Germany here. And the fluorescent lights represent the broken chains of oppression. This building was completely gutted in the war. And they had this reopened though by May of 1948. It's important for them to have it redone for the 100-year anniversary. But I think they're really cool, amazing architecture. They may, in fact, I know they're going to be shutting it down sometime this year to redo it. But there's a lot of talk about should they redo it like it looked in 1940 or 1848? Should it have a whole new look? Shall they do away with the ceiling and make it open all the way again? We just don't know. They haven't decided yet. And here we can see the building as it looked when it was completely gutted out. Frankfurt thought it had a good chance to be the next capital of Germany. And that's why they got this all done so quickly. Lots of important people on the outside of the building here. First president of Germany and John F. Kennedy, who came here in 1963, called Frankfurt and this building the Cradle of German democracy. So I hope you like this little tour of the Paulskirche. Come see it before they remodel it. Let us know, should they redo it how it looked back in 1848 or have a whole new concept? And this is Joe Ader saying thank you. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.